you do a lot of sitting, a lot of work from home work, you know, you definitely need a comfortable chair. I like how this chair feels like it's kind of hugging you. It's got this high wing back and a lot of support on the pillows from the sides. You can adjust the height of these really cushy armrests. It feels really soft and springy, but still really firm and supportive. So I don't feel like it's too hard when I sit in it. Has this little detachable pillow in the back that if you plug it in, it actually vibrates and can like give you some like blood flow and circulation to your bottom, especially if you sit down for a long period of time. The pillow is actually, like I said, detachable, so you can put it on your couch in another chair and it will still give you that vibration. You can plug it in and use it that way. I like this chair because it's super comfortable, but it also has a lot of features. So you can move the chair up and down. You have to kind of get up, you know how chairs kind of slide up and down. You can also recline. It goes way, way back, probably way further back than I need it to. It comes back up and you can lock it back into place. And so you can slide this little piece out, flip that up. Now that is comfortable. Probably a little too comfortable. Like maybe I need a blanket and a nap. This thing actually can hold up to 450 pounds. And my husband is 6 foot, over 6 foot, and he's very comfortable in this chair. My husband put this together. He said it was very straightforward. It took him under 30 minutes to put together. It's super sturdy. No squeaks, no wobble, very comfortable, really straightforward. If you're interested in this chair, I'm going to put the link for it down in the description below.